Hello friends, welcome to chemistry lecture, classical methods of analysis, last lecture. In my last lecture we have seen the estimation of aluminium, estimation of sulfur. In this lecture we will see estimation of nickel, from copper nickel alloy using DMG. DMG is what? Dimethyl glyoxime. Nickel, this is precipitated out as nickel DMG complex, that is NiC4H7O2 N2 twice. This is done. Now a fixed amount of copper nickel alloy is taken in a beaker, and then what is done is concentrated nitric acid is added to it, and it is heated till the alloy completely dissolves in the nitric acid, and then the sample is extracted to say complete dryness, and then it is treated with H2SO4, and finally in a standard measuring flask it is diluted up to the mark. Then a fixed volume of this solution is taken in a beaker and H2S is passed. So whatever copper is there, it is getting converted into CuS. Now H2S is passed till the precipitation of CuS is complete, black color solution you will find. Then what will happen? What will you do? You will have to filter this and reject this Cu twice as CuS, and you have to take the filtrate from the solution, filtrate of the solution in a beaker, and all the washings also you have to collect. Now what you have to do is you have to heat the filtrate for 2 minutes so that all the H2S escapes. Then you have to treat it with 1% ethanolic DMG, followed by addition of ammonia till pink color solution or pink color precipitate or red color precipitate of NiDMG is formed. Now what we have to do is filter it through a previously weighed Gooch crucible. After filtering it, we have to wash it with cold water and then dry it for 30 minutes in an oven at 110 degrees Celsius. Now how we can calculate the weight of nickel? We have weight of Gooch crucible say W1, weight of Gooch crucible plus NiDMG as W2. So weight of nickel DMG is equal to W2 minus W1 W3. Now say 1 NiDMG is equal to 1 nickel, 1 mole NiDMG is equal to 1 mole nickel. So say 288.69 nickel DMG is equal to 48.69 nickel. So W3 grams of it will be equal to how much? So W3 into 48.69 divided by 288.69, we get W4. This is the say weight of nickel in nickel DMG complex. So from the you can say volume which you have pipetted out, we can do the calculation, and to what volume we have diluted and what weight we have taken. So finally we can do the calculation for nickel in copper nickel alloy. So this was about the last part of the topic or of the unit, classical methods of analysis, and here we end the unit. Thank you.